So, hi everyone, this is Aditya, and today we will be solving our second question of 150 days most important problems on Leetcode. And it's our second question, it's Leetcode problem number 88, merge sorted array. It's an easy question. Let's read the problem statement first. In this problem statement, we are given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, in a non-decreasing order. And we have also given two integers m and n, in which the number of element in nums1 and nums2, these are representing numbers of elements in nums1 and nums2 itself. So our target is to merge both nums1 and nums2 in a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. We have to merge in such a way that it will remain in non-decreasing order itself, and we can return the final return array as nums1, because nums1 is of length m plus n. So that's our job. This is where first m elements denote the elements that must be merged, and the last n elements are set to 0 and should be ignored. So this is just to remind us. So I hope you have read the question. Let's see example. In this example, like nums1, we are given 1 2 3 0 0 0, and size of nums1 is 3, because first three values will be there in nums1 and these three must be ignored as given in question. In nums2, we are given 2 5 6 and nums2 size is 3. So the output will be a non-decreasing order array in which we merge both the nums1 and nums2 in such a way, as you can see. So that's the problem. I hope you have understood the problem. Now let's move to the solution part. So here is the solution of this question. It's an easy problem. So first of all, we initialize an integer I with m minus 1. Why m minus 1? Because we have to point towards the last element of nums1, and similarly j as nums n minus 1 as last element of nums2, and k will be the last element of the nums1 itself. That is, we can return it if we have to return it. So you will get to know why we put k here after you understood the question. So first of all, we apply a while loop here. While I is greater than equal to 0 and j is greater than equal to 0. So we can modify the code also. Now I think you will understand it in easy way. So we apply a while loop here. While I is greater than equal to 0 and j is greater than equal to 0, while these both will be positive, up to that value the while loop will be applicable. So in while loop, if nums1 of I is greater than equals to nums2 of j, it means we compare the last element first of all, and the value which will be greater will be stored at the last of the nums1, because that's the largest value among all of these, because nums1 and nums2 both are in sorted order as we have given in question. So nums1 of k is the last element of nums1, last index of nums1. So nums1 of k is equals to nums1 of I, because nums1 of I is greater than nums2 of j. Then we decrease the count of last element to second last. Similarly for I also. And otherwise, if it's not true, then we get to know that nums2 of j will be greater. So nums2 of j will be stored in the last index. Then we decrease the count, because we have to further find other elements also. And at the end, we apply while loop. This works when the size of j is less. Then it may be possible that there are chances that from here I will be negative and j will be positive. Then we can run this also. So So while j is greater than equal to 0, then we can put nums1 of k is equals to nums2 of j. Then we can decrease the count, and we don't have to return anything because it's a void function. So that's the equation. Let's see. So as you can see, it's running fine. Thank you guys for your time.